Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Irving Drive in Ironshore, St. James is this 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom gem. It sits on 0.48 acres of land. The main villa of approximately 4,500 square feet comprises of air-conditioned 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom all ensuite rooms with ceiling fans and flat-screen TVs. The villa features the kitchen and breakfast nook, naturally extending to the living and dining room, straight out to the patio and pool deck, with a nice elevated view of the coastline and ocean. The 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom self-contained guest cottage is an added plus, and the property is in demand for vacation rentals. Ironshore is a bustling and extending residential, commercial, and entertainment hub and has been enjoying major construction developments as one of the premium communities of Jamaica's tourism capital. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.